While Chat GPT itself is an AI language model and does not have the capability to directly earn money, there are several ways you can potentially leverage Chat GPT or similar AI models to generate income. Here are a few ideas. Content generation. You can use Chat GPT to assist you in generating content for blogs, articles, or social media posts. Offer your services as a content creator or freelance writer, utilizing Chat GPT to help you generate ideas, brainstorm, or even draft initial versions of the content. Virtual assistant. Position yourself as a virtual assistant who uses AI language models like Chat GPT to assist with various tasks. You can offer services such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, or providing information and answers to common questions. Language translation. Utilize Chat GPT to aid in language translation. You can offer translation services, especially for languages where there might be a scarcity of human translators. Chat GPT can help with the translation process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Online tutoring. Leverage ChatGPT's knowledge and conversational abilities to offer online tutoring services. You can provide assistance with subjects like languages, mathematics, or other topics where you have expertise. Use ChatGPT to provide explanations, answer questions, and guide students through their learning process. Chatbot development. Utilize ChatGPT to create interactive and intelligent chatbots for businesses. Many companies are interested in integrating chatbots on their websites or messaging platforms to handle customer inquiries, provide support, or automate certain tasks. You can build and customize chatbots using ChatGPT and offer your services to businesses. Writing assistance. Offer writing assistance services to individuals or organizations who need help with generating high-quality written content. ChatGPT can be used to provide suggestions, correct grammar and style, and improve overall clarity and coherence of the text. Remember, when using AI models like ChatGPT for commercial purposes, it's important to ensure that you comply with any relevant terms of service, copyright laws, and ethical considerations. Additionally, marketing your services effectively, building a reputation, and delivering value to your clients will play a crucial role in your success.